Hello TikTok fam, today I'm about to take you on an exciting journey into the world of drones, and I can't wait to share this amazing piece of tech with you. First things first, let's talk about the importance of having a protective carrying case. Look at this beauty. Having a high quality case like this is crucial to keep our DJI Mavic Air 2 safe during transportation. You never know what adventures await, and we've got to keep our drone protected throughout this journey. Safety first, always. Behold, the Mavic Air 2. With this sleek design and powerful features, this baby is ready to take flights and capture breathtaking moments from the sky. Check this out. Transforming the Mavic Air 2 from a compact marvel to a flying beast is as simple as a flick of the wrist. It's like magic. Now we are getting ready for some serious aerial action. Of course, we can't forget about the heartbeat of our drone, the battery. It's what gives a Mavic Air 2 the power to soar through the skies and capture stunning footage. Always keep those batteries charged and ready for action. Now let's talk about control. With this nifty gadget, we're the pilot of our own adventure. The DJI Mavic Air 2 controller is intuitive and user-friendly, making flying a breeze even for beginners. And there you have it, the dynamic trio. With DJI Mavic Air 2, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a content creator, a nature lover, or simply someone who craves a new perspective, this drone has got you covered. So are you ready to take your content to new heights? Let me know in the comments and stay tuned for some incredible drone adventures. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who might want to join the drone squad too. Until next time, fly high and fly safe.